the edge geometry on the Spearpoint, the Droppoint, and the Clippoint are virtually identical. So the edge profile and the grind is virtually identical on those three blades. What varies is the spine profile, and at that point it becomes a matter of aesthetics, what you like, what appeals to your eye. But from the three designs, Clippoint, Droppoint, Spearpoint, the Spearpoint has the most durable point. And it's because of that geometry, there's no loss of mass until you're right at the very tip. It's virtually indestructible. With all of that, all it does is pick up a little bit of resin. It won't bend, does nothing to the edge. Edge isn't affected. That always surprises me, even now. See, and I'm not doing any actual prep. Getting shavings up. How about it? You want that stick?